show you how to edit your unicorn invitation template. So you can't edit the colors of the unicorn, but you can edit things like the background of the invitation. So say you want it to be purple instead of white, you can come down and choose purple or yellow or dark blue, gray if you want, white. And you do that by just clicking on the line that's around, that pink line that is around. You'll get the color at the top. You'll get this little square. If you want to change that pink line to, say, a darker pink, you can do that. You click on there to this little square and you can change it so that it's a darker pink, whatever you like. Then if you want to change the text that has your information on your template, all you do is you click on the box, the text box that you want to change. You can change the color by going up to where it has the A with the little color under the line. And you just go ahead and pick a color. Say you want to change it to a dark pink or purple or whatever you want. You can change it to that. You can change the font to a different type of font. Say you're not real keen on that font that I've got there and you want to change it to something else. If you find a font that has a crown on it, that means it is for paid. You can see it's for paid pro users. I have a paid account, but if you have free, all the text and fonts that I'm using right now are for free. If for some reason at one point in time Canva decides to take a free font and change it to a paid font, please let me know and I can usually replace the font with something very similar for you if you want to keep it for free. But if you have a pro account, that's even better still, because then you can choose whatever fonts or text that you want. So I can go in and I can change my font. I can change the size of things. If I want to go in and change the size and move it around, I can do that. If I don't like something, I just use the little arrow at the top and just change it. So there are two postcard size 5x7 invitations on each page, so you can edit them. And then once they're edited the way that you want to edit them, you go up to the share button and you scroll down to where it says download. You pick a PDF. If you have the pro version, you can pick the you can pick the PDF print, and then what you can do is you can pick the RGB. And if you're going to use it for a digital print, great. Even the regular printing turns out pretty well with the GBD. If you have a pro, you can use the professional printing, but either way, it works out just fine. And then you download it and you take that file and you either print it from home, from your home printer, or you can take it to your nearest print shop and print it there. Hopefully this tutorial was helpful. Thanks for watching.